Orlando Foods, we're a family company. It's owned by myself and my first cousin Carlo, and we have an amazing staff. And the thing that we really pride ourselves on being a small company is that our people are passionate. They're passionate like we are about it. And as we're getting older, we're seeing that this next generation really digs food. They're passionate about the products. They love our suppliers. Our suppliers are our family, and that's something that you can't just create. Our business is about more than commercial. It's about passion, it's about family, it's who we are.
I'm Anna from Mercurio's in Pittsburgh. We love working with Orlando Foods because they have an amazing product. We use a Caputo flour, Ciao tomatoes, and Lupara buffalo mozzarella. And their team is fantastic. They really work to develop not just business relationships, but also friendships with their customers.
The fact that the great knowledge we have in the raw material, the great knowledge because of the close contact with pizza makers and pastry shop in Napoli and Italy. So we learned from our customers in the last 100 years. We love to be in touch with the world of pizza, the world of the dough.
Joe from Tudor Neapolitan Pizzeria in Seattle. We've been using Caputo flour since day one. It's a key ingredient in our pizzas, and we love the soft, silky dough that it creates with a patina of punch. We love Caputo flour.
We are really proud to be part of the narrative of the gluten-free pizza renaissance. More and more people are actually able to eat real pizza because of this product right here. Thickest, airiest, lightest, fluffiest gluten-free pizza in history. It's the safest, most delicious gluten-free pizza on the market today.
It's so important for us to be inclusive so that we're not American pizza makers versus Italian pizza makers. It's not about that. It's about love for craft, love for artistry, love for tradition, and how we can all come together and support that. And that's how our craft is really spread.
Ci vediamo domani. Right? Ci vediamo domani.
Ci vediamo domani.
Tomorrow.
Me and him go way back.
Over the years, enjoying many and appreciative of all the Neapolitans coming over to work with Orlando Foods and Caputo.
I know Caputo for over 19 years when I started the school in Naples. And in these years, Caputo was so important. So what I did for the Neapolitan pizza, it was America. You have so much variable, humidity, heat, different climate, altitude, water. So all this kind of combination, the flour is still 100%. So it's really, really important.
Che cosa dirle del pomodoro? Che è il più bel frutto che è al mondo e soprattutto è il più salutare. Ultimamente abbiamo avuto anche i riconoscimenti da parte di grandi fondazioni che fanno ricerca, che hanno esaltato il concetto del pomodoro, che lo hanno messo al centro dell'alimentazione, non soltanto mediterranea, ma anche e soprattutto mondiale.
Caputo and Ciao for nearly a decade. The Ciao tomatoes provide a full, rich flavor and a beautiful consistency on pizzas. We've tried almost every single flour that Caputo offers for various projects such as pizzas, breads, and even pastry.
We're down here in Portland, Oregon. I use Caputo flour and Ciao tomatoes because they're just better.
What's up, guys? My name is Gianni Gallucci and I own Gallucci Pizzeria Napoletana in Chicago, Illinois. I've been doing business with Orlando Foods for about 8 years now, and they are nothing but family. I proudly use Caputo flour, Ciao tomatoes for all the pizzas that we serve here. And we only do the best, use the best.
This is a buffalo cheese cagliata, handmade in Italy, from us.
Hello, I'm Mercurio from Mercurio's. I love using Lupara from our Neapolitan pizzas because it melts great and it tastes great.
So Orlando Foods, we've been around since 1948, but we continue to evolve, and we see ourselves really taking this path of made in Italy and finding great products that help innovate and elevate the level of food. There's one thing that everybody says about Italy. When you go there, the food is something that you can't forget. And it's a reason to go back, in fact. So we bring that here. And if you look at our stand, we have the best pizza makers, pasta people, fry chefs that exist in Italy. And we're so happy that we can help share in the development of bringing these items and know-how.